Before the stadiums, before the millions, there was just a kid with a dream. A raw talent broadcasting from the quiet corners of Ohio, then a sudden shift. The world erupted. From obscurity to global phenomenon, the name Speed echoed everywhere. This is the story of IshowSpeed, a journey of consistency and authenticity. In the heart of Ohio, a young Darren lived a typical teenage life. But his passion burned brightest online, even with the most basic tools. He streamed games, shared thoughts, often to an empty room. Days turned into weeks, weeks into months, with little to no recognition. Yet, his spirit remained unbroken. He kept hitting that start stream button. His dedication was unwavering, a testament to his belief in himself. Then came 2020, and the world changed. Darren found his moment. His raw energy, his unfiltered reactions, playing games like Fortnite. These weren't just streams, they were performances. His wild antics, his dancing, his rages, they were pure gold. These moments exploded across TikTok, becoming viral sensations. His subscriber count, once stagnant, began to skyrocket. From a few hundred to millions, his community grew exponentially. Then came the Sweet era, a tribute to his idol, Cristiano Ronaldo. He became Ronaldo's biggest defender in every debate, every discussion. A dream that seemed impossible, meeting his hero, became a reality in 2023. The sheer joy, the disbelief etched on his face. That dream, once a distant fantasy, had transformed into his global reality. His fame transcended borders. He was traveling the world. Everywhere he went, fans flocked, screaming his name. But with immense fame came inevitable challenges and controversies. Moments of reflection, of learning in the quiet aftermath. He emerged stronger, more mature, ready to face the world. His journey continued, expanding into music, live events, and more. A global icon, not yet 20, looking out at the world he conquered. His story is a powerful reminder. Be consistent, be unforgettable, join the journey. Like, comment, and subscribe for more inspiring stories.